Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and it's Sunday, so that means it's time for another week's weigh-in. All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I hope you all are doing well. Please, especially this week, I need you guys to comment down below how you're doing on your journey, especially successes you're having. It helps encourage me, and I do think when you guys read each other's comments that it helps each other. For me, this was a very difficult week. I don't want to go into all the details. I don't feel like rehashing everything. Let's just say Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday were all bad days for me. And I ended up going over my calories and over my carbs on those days. There's just a lot going on in my world right now. In case you can't tell by the hair change, which tends to happen when I start getting extra stressed out. So things are a little hectic, and my cat is deciding to make noise in his cat litter while I'm recording. But yeah, so it wasn't that great. But luckily, on the days that weren't those days, I did really well. Even I was proud of myself yesterday and Friday because stress levels through the roof as far as what's been going on. And just so it's not like vague booking like people do on Facebook, it has to do with my living situation. It's very complicated with the way things could go. It could go pretty decent soon, or it could go very bad very, very quickly. So things are hectic, and I've got a lot to do today in relation to that. But anyway, so that was my week. It was some very bad lows and some pretty good days diet-wise. Mentally horrible all week. But yeah, so luckily, stress burns calories, I think, because there's no way on those good days that I did enough, calorie-wise to make up for how bad I went on the other days. I don't know. Either way, my weigh-in, I'm happy with. I'm going to get right into it. So, my starting weight, all this numbers over here. My starting weight is 388.6. Last week, I got down to 377.2. Today, 375.0. So that means this week I lost 2.2 pounds, and for a total, I've lost 13.6. So at least there's something bright going on in my life right now. And I don't mean to imply that my life's horrible. There's just some major stress factors. There are plenty of good things that are going on in my life. And luckily, despite those days, reining it back in and all of that and having a loss, I was just honestly hoping not to gain more than 2 pounds with how I ate this week. But I ended with a loss. So that's a huge shocker. And I'm very happy about that. Yeah, that's kind of all I got today, guys. Normally I'm feeling bad that I'm rambling for an hour or 20 minutes, but I'm ending this video really quickly. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'll talk to y'all later.